Okay, so now we're going to be going over the book, Colors Everywhere, that we just read. It was about colors in our environment. Who could tell me what's the difference between this book that we just read, Colors Everywhere, and other books that we've read in the past in the classroom? The difference is, very good, the difference is that this book doesn't have any words in the entire story, only pictures. What does that mean? That means the author is trying to tell us that we could create our own stories based on the pictures in the book. When there's no stories in a book, when there's no words, in a book, that means that we can use our imagination and our creativity to think of a storyline and to make up our own story of what's going on in the book. Very good. So the next few weeks we're going to be learning about colors, like it started to describe in this book, and we're going to decide which color to start learning first by taking a vote in the class, and then we're going to record the vote on a graph. It's called a bar graph, and we have the numbers on the side, how many people in the class, and the colors. We have the color green, blue, and red. And we're going to take a vote. However many kids in the class want the color green, we're going to make a bar over here representing that amount of students. We're going to do the same for blue and the same for red. We're going to start with the 3 most popular colors. Okay? And then we're going to move on to the rest of the colors learned in the book. So first I'm going to ask the class, who knows what this color is? We just learned it in the book, Colors Everywhere. Very good. This is the color green. Raise your hand if this is your favorite color. Okay. Let's see how many students. We're going to put down 5 students on the graph. Okay. Next color. This is the color. Who knows what color this is? It was also just mentioned in the book. The color red. Very good. Raise your hands if your favorite color is the color red. Let's record it on the graph. And I'm going to show the class how I recorded everything on the graph when we're finished. The last color is, very good, the color blue. Okay? How many students in the class love the color blue? More than red and more than green. This is their favorite color, blue. Okay, so guys, we went over the color blue, we went over the color red, and we went over the color green. Okay? All of the kids in the class raised their hands by their favorite color. And this is what we came up with. 5 boys in the class like the color green. 7 kids in the class like the color blue, and 3 kids in the class like the color red. So who's the winning color? What's going to be the winning color? Which color are we going to start learning about next week? The first color. Very good. The color 7. Why? The color blue, I'm sorry. Why did you choose the color blue? How did you decide that we're going to learn about blue first? Why not green and why not red? Very good, because 7 students wanted to learn about the color blue. 7 students said that their favorite color was blue, which means that they wanted to learn about their favorite color blue first. Next, we're going to learn about the color green, because 5 students wanted to learn about the color green and said their favorite color was green. And then Which color are we going to learn about last? Very good. The color red. Why? Because only 3 students in the class said that their favorite color was red. Very good.